So folks, we have had a large wedge-tail hanging around the last couple of days. They're not exactly popular with the other birds like the currawongs and the peewees and the magpies we get around here. And one of the reasons we know we have a large bird of prey around is because the guinea fowl go off whenever they see him take off from the paddock. And he keeps taking off from a spot down in our paddock. So Jack and I are going to go down and see what he's been snacking on. We've gone into digital territory here, so it may not be that clear, but he's a big wedgie, easily 6 foot, 2 meters across on the wingspan. So anyway, we'll zoom back out. 125 times zoom, probably not the best quality, but yeah. Now there are a few other birds of prey. We get the brown goshawks hunting the small little peaceful doves around the chicken pen. We also get the Brahmi kites. They're very pretty brown and white chested birds. And we also get the large white-bellied sea eagles. They're almost as big as the wedge-tails, but they've got a smaller bodies. I think the wedgies, the large ones, can get up to about 1 meter or 3 foot in height. So we've just spooked him from that tree and he's taken off the other side of the dam, but we'll still go down and have a bit of a gander. So we've spooked him. He's just taken off. Where is he? There he is. Flying up into those trees over there. So I've just come across this, which looks like the gut of some sort of animal. And this, which looks like the intestines of some sort of animal. So I think I'm on the right path. Jack just pointed me in the right direction. So yeah, you might want to look away if you're a bit squeamish, but we found what the eagle has been eating. It is a wallaby. Don't know if it was taken out by the eagle, I doubt it, because they're not really nocturnal. I dare say a fox or a dog has got it through the night. Actually, it would have been a couple of days ago because we first saw the eagle yesterday. So there we go. Had noticed a number of small birds of prey around. But yeah, I hadn't seen the large wedgie until yesterday morning. So I dare say he's still over in one of those trees over there, just hanging out waiting for us to leave. So there we go. Oh, we don't want to watch that, but mystery is solved. It was a little wallaby, and yeah. Obviously it's just a part of the natural cycle here, with the wedge-tails being the largest native predator we have. But anyway, Jack and I, now he's finished, we'll go back up and edit this and give you a bit of a gander.
Leave him alone, you bullies. You're going to eat what he leaves.